Welcome to our channel. Today, we have some exciting news about the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Official promo images of the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra have been leaked. Let's dive into the details and see what we can expect from these new models. Official promo images of the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra have been leaked. This has created a lot of buzz and excitement among fans and tech enthusiasts. Everyone is eager to learn more about the features and design of these upcoming devices. The leaked images reveal some significant design changes. The Samsung Galaxy S25 series will feature thinner bezels and flat screens for all models. The S25 Ultra, in particular, will have rounded corners, which is a departure from the boxy design of previous models. These design changes give the new phones a sleek and modern look. The camera layout on the S25 Ultra remains largely unchanged, featuring a quad camera setup. One interesting detail is that the camera rings will match the frame color, not the rear color. This subtle design choice adds a touch of elegance to the overall look of the phone. The Galaxy S25 series will include Samsung's upgraded Galaxy AI suite, which offers enhanced AI capabilities. This means users can expect better performance, smarter features, and an overall improved user experience. All models in the Samsung Galaxy S25 series will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This powerful processor will bring significant performance improvements, making these phones faster and more efficient than their predecessors. The new phones will run on One UI 7, which is based on Android 15. This latest version of Samsung's user interface will offer a range of new features and improvements, providing a smoother and more intuitive user experience. The official announcement of the Samsung Galaxy S25 series is scheduled for January 22, 2025, during the Galaxy Unpacked event. This is when we can expect to get all the official details about the new models, including their release date and pricing. Samsung has also teased improvements to Bixby and Sketch-to-Image features. These enhancements will make the digital assistant more helpful and the sketching feature more accurate and user-friendly. To recap, we have discussed the leaked promo images, design changes, camera layout, AI features, Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, One UI 7, the official announcement date, and improvements to Bixby and Sketch-to-Image. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates as we get closer to the official release. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay informed about the latest news on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Thanks for watching.